Hello everyone, my name is Scott, a member of the team here at BritScent. Today we are looking at 4 different verbs we can use when explaining what we think is true. Let's start with presume and assume. To presume something means you're making an informed guess based on reasonable evidence. For example, yeah, don't worry, I presumed you would be late when I heard about the train strike. Or, no, you shouldn't presume that we are dating just because we spend time together. Meanwhile, assume should be used if you're making a guess with little or no evidence. For example, oh, sorry, I assumed you wouldn't want to come. I'll invite you next time. Or, I assume that's the guy we are looking for. He is alone and looks lost. Now, let's move on to the differences between guess and suppose. Guess is used when we are literally making a guess and we have no idea whether something is correct or not. It can sound like you don't care or make you sound clueless. And for that reason, usually, it is uncommon in the work environment. Generally, it is used more in the US than in the UK. For example, is the meeting at 5? I guess, but you'd be better off asking George though. Or, I guess everything went well, but I won't find out if I landed the job for another 2 weeks though. Suppose is considered more formal. It suggests that what we are saying is possible. This is more appropriate in an office and shows something could be true even though we are not particularly certain. For example, I suppose that's fine. I'll have to check with my boss though. Or, did Matt finish that report? I suppose so, but he's not mentioned anything to me. Well, there you have it. Similar meanings but slightly different connotations. Why not make your own examples in the comments section below? I enjoy seeing them. That's all from me. I'll presume you all enjoyed the video and I suppose I might see you in the next one.